It's one of those days. I have pretty much my entire office which I need to repair PlayStations inside of my wife's car. My van started acting up. Wasn't starting. Finally started. I'm hearing a hard tick or hard knock. My mechanic came by to check it out. He said he thinks it might be my lifters. Could be rocker arms as well. He was like, look, it sounds bad. Put aside some money for a new engine. Then he also said it might be my oil pump not pumping up oil to the top of the engine. So it could be that. So, but I won't be able to get any of that checked out and repaired until Monday. I'm going to have a tow truck drop it off to him. But in the meantime, I'm borrowing a van from a friend. So I'm going to drive that around. But I'm taking everything so that I can be on the go. Have my battery, all my hookups, so that I can get power and everything else to do the repairs that need to be done. Usually if this happens, I'd rent a van from Enterprise. But we are in November, going into the week of Thanksgiving, so this is just holiday time, peak time for those rental companies. They said everything's done, everything's rented out. Independent contractors rent out the van for Amazon deliveries. Luckily, my friend has a van that he doesn't really use. It's pretty big. I just have to do some stuff inside to make it so that I can charge my office battery, well, my second battery in the back, so I can have power to run my TV, solder station, heat gun. Those are the main things. As long as I have those, I'll be good. That's the predicament I'm in at the moment. So wife's just gonna drop me off, and I'm gonna take his van and go about doing my repairs. I usually don't do repairs on a Sunday. Today's Saturday, but I think I'm gonna open it up for tomorrow, Sunday, just because today Friday I didn't do any repairs. I had a full day yesterday. I was gonna do another full episode of Day in the Life, but the day came down to just trying to figure out and trying to get trying to solve the issue that I'm in right now. I'm gonna help you.
I'm strong.
Yeah.
Your car's not strong enough.
My van is strong enough. Size of my battery versus size of your battery. My shit's strong enough.
This camera's fire. Make you look good, bud. You got a little white powder on your sleeve.
Doing business. Back, I believe it's longer. I think mine is longer. Yeah, mine is longer.
You can stand up and not touch it.
Yeah. Time to get in the road. Got repairs to do.
On to the next one. Let's see it.
On to the next one.
So while I have the van, like I said, I packed up my wagon here. I have my wife's wagon, some PS5 parts, a few things. Got my bag full of my parts as well, my tools, what's needed in here, hot iron, hot air station, soldering iron, alcohol, all my stuff for soldering for game systems. I had an extra battery at first because I didn't have my lithium-ion battery in there. Also have my laser machine underneath that. Let's actually get that. It's my laser machine. And then I bought this because I needed the power. So what I ended up doing was putting in my lithium battery, my inverters behind it, and I have my DC-DC charger all in this one box, and I charge them through jumper cables to these two wires here. So it's only charging when I'm in the back here focusing on it, so I can make sure nothing goes wrong. But at least I have all the power that I had in my van, at least. Ended up buying another monitor, 4K monitor, to test out the video games. My microscope, everything else, and getting ready to work on this. But yeah, I'm in this van just for the time being until I get my van out the shop. So it's real kind of bare bones to say, but making it work. So we up early in the morning, got to get the van towed over to my mechanic because it's not going to do anything here. I can't even drive it, can't move it, so I'm going to have it dropped off and they're going to work it and let me know what's wrong with it. So a new motor wasn't the news I wanted to get, but that's exactly what they say did. Pretty much the head blew, something seized up in there. I believe it was the oil pump wasn't pulling properly. So I was able to order a new motor, was able to get it in, took a couple weeks, but we got it to the shop. So with a job this big, can't just only change the motor. Obviously there are other small things I needed attending to, so they gave me a whole list. So I had to pick up some parts to get it done. We're already here, might as well get it done because we're here already.
Freaking project, man, for remove this shit.
I figured it would be, man.
So a month later, we can see finally got the van up and running. It took a little while because I had to get extra parts needed. Everything else on that parts list, but we got it up and running. They're just refilling the AC over here in this time because riding around here in Florida, we definitely need that AC. But everything was up and running, run smooth, running perfect. So from here, we just had to put everything back from the other van and back into my van just so I can get back on the road, get back to, feeling some type of normalcy and feel comfortable. But if you like this episode, stay tuned. We're going to put out another one. Like, comment, subscribe what you want to see. There's actually another update coming.